So we're over at Aitoro's in Norwalk. Hey, Tony.
Hey, Julie, how are you? Great
So
to
good
see you. Oh my God.
Why don't you show us what's trending in kitchens right now?
Sub-Zero and Wolf is a tremendous, top of the line luxury brand. We sell a lot of other brands too. Viking, Monogram, La Cornue, GE Cafe, Gaggenau. We have smokers, Traegers. We're a family business. We're now 4th generation.
Wow.
So it's really exciting. We've been in this location since 1963.
One thing you're famous for is your demo nights and the nights that you feed people can try things out, which is unlike any other showroom I've ever experienced.
Everything is live here. You can test the burners, you can try the ovens, you can turn the dishwasher on, check out the refrigerators, ice makers, whatever you want. You just want to be able to work with a company that'll help the problems go away.
Absolutely.
We make it smooth.
Yep.
That's what we do.
A solutionist.
Exactly. Yeah, it's good.